What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be lowering the Jeep with the lowering links. This is a Summit, so it has like that little OEM air suspension type mess. So it's pretty simple. Link would be in the description for these. When you get your links, you're gonna notice that your rears, the shorter ones are the rears and the long ones are the fronts. One is going to be longer than the other. As you can see, this is going to be your rear passenger. It's going to be the same way from the OEM, whatever. So before we do anything, you want to get in your car. Crank it. Go right here. Go all the way up.
$2,000 years later.
All right, so once it's maxed out, you want to go into your settings. Go to suspension. I had the thing. So we're in suspension and go to tire jack mode. That message will pop up. Back out. Cut it off. Also, before I start, the links come with these clips. Like that. So you see, it's focused. It's right here. You push it in there and then push it in right here like this. But it's pretty self-explanatory. You just put it in. It's only really one way you can go in. So put the long side. Push down. And then clamp it in. All right. Quick screenshot of the old lower links and the new lower links. But back to the installation. All right, so you got the link right here. I'm just taking my flathead. I'm probably not gonna be able to record this part, but all you're doing is wedging it off. Yeah, so see it moving. So just wedge it off and then put the other ones on. Alright, so stock one in. I already got my clips in, like halfway in. And then, oh, I can see that. Halfway in, so then once I push it on there, I'm just gonna clip it down. All right, so I had to, I couldn't record and install them at the same time, so I'm showing y'all right now. I got all four in. Overall, easy install. Make sure you put those clips in. It might be a little tedious, but make sure you put them in. Link for the links will be in the description. Love the look of it. Completely changed the look of the Jeep. Went ahead and installed the new wheels on it. You see it right now. But yeah, I hope y'all like the video. Remember, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and until next time.